Welcome to another ProSoft Technology Asia Pacific tutorial video. In today's session, I'll illustrate how to connect to a remote Allen Bradley platform with an Android or Apple mobile device using ICX35 Industrial Wireless Gateway and ProSoft Connect remote monitoring service. For this, you need to have the following. You need a remote platform with Ethernet IP capable Allen Bradley devices, an ICX35 Industrial Wireless Gateway with an active SIM card that is a valid data plan. The ICX35 module must be accompanied by an account at ProSoft.io. If you do not have an account at ProSoft.io, please watch the video link in the description on how to get that. You'll also need a mobile device running on Android or iOS. Now in this video, I'll assume that you already have the ICX35 gateway configured and connected to your remote platform. I will also assume that the ProSoft Connect service has been enabled and your gateway reports status as connected. I'll begin by setting up on an Android device. You'll need to go to the phone settings to set up and configure a new VPN. Give the VPN a descriptive name and enter the server address. ProSoft Technology has multiple global servers, and the address has to correspond to the server in your region. For Asia, we use the Apex Singapore server with the address shown below. The same is true for Sydney and California that also have addresses shown below. If you do not know the server address for your region, please contact your regional support team and they'll help you out with that one. For the passphrase, passkey, passsecret, or password, please enter the default value of VPN 12345. This is a common key and is not the secure username. Once that is done, save the settings and go to your ProSoft.io account, where you click Connect to generate the secure, random, one-time username. Copy this username to your clipboard and go back to the phone settings. In the phone settings, you click to connect the VPN we have just created and you'll be prompted to enter the username that you just copied. Enter the username and click connect, and this will connect you to the tunnel and hence the remote platform. Your mobile device will behave as though it's on the same LAN network as your remote platform, giving you access to all your Ethernet devices. This allows you to access the device, browse the device's chassis, monitor your controller and all your controller operations. If, say, you have an HMI also connected to your remote platform, this will also allow you to use a VPN service to monitor and control your HMI screen in real time. The setup on Apple's iOS is basically the same with just a few minor differences. Under the General Settings tab, we will configure a new VPN And here you must select the VPN type as L2TP. Enter the server address as was directed during the Android setup. For account, you must enter the randomly generated username from the ProSoft.io account every time that you want to set up the tunnel. But now, because we haven't set that up yet, for here we're just going to put a placeholder value to allow us to complete the settings and save the configuration. The secret as well as the password are again the default value of VPN 12345. Once that is done, save the settings and go to your ProSoft.io page. There you click connect, which will again generate the random one-time access username, which you have to copy and paste in place of the account placeholder that we put in as tunnel. When you're copying this, make sure you copy the entire username in its entirety, because if you do not copy the entire username, you will not be able to connect the tunnel. You will not be able to connect to the tunnel, and this will invalidate the username for any future use. Once you've copied that, go back to the settings and enter the username for the account and then save the settings. After that, click to connect the VPN, and this will connect your device to the VPN tunnel, giving you full access to your remote platform and all the devices that are connected to it. If you run into any issues during the setup, please send us a message using our in-app real-time support system on ProSoft.io, or you can contact your regional support team. As an alternative, you can also send an email to support.ap@prosoft-technology.com, and we'll assist you in whatever issues you are having. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial video, and see you next time.